Hello students, good morning. Today is my 33rd online lecture video class of class 9 geography from the chapter 3 drainage. Yesterday I told you about the peninsular rivers, about the Narmada basin and Tapi basin. Today I will tell you about the next, that is the Godavari basin. Listen carefully. The Godavari is the largest peninsular rivers and it rises from the slope of the Western Ghat in the Nasik district of Nasik district of Maharashtra. Listen again. The Godavari river rises from the slope of Western Ghat in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. Okay. Its length is 1500 km and it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Its drainage basin is also the largest among the peninsular rivers. It means it is the largest rivers of the peninsular rivers. The basin, it means the Godavari basin covers part of the Maharashtra. About 50% of the basin area lies in the Maharashtra. कहने मतलब है महाराष्ट्र जो राज्य है उसके आधे हिस्सों में गोदावरी नदी अपना क्षेत्र बनाती है, बहती है. उसके बाद इट ऑल्सो फ्लोज इन मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा एंड ड्रेन फ्रॉम द आंध्र प्रदेश. सी है 50% of basin area lies in the Maharashtra, MP, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, and after that it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Now see, the Godavari is joined by the number of tributaries such as the Purna, the Vardha, the Parnita, the Manjra, the Vainganga and the Penganga. The last three tributaries, it means the last three means the Manjra, the Vainganga and Penganga. Are very large because of its length and the area it covers. It means these last three tributaries, the Manjra, Vainganga and Penganga, they are very large in area that it covers. So this Godavari river is also known as Dakshin Ganga in the peninsular rivers, and it is one of the largest river in the peninsula regions. Clear? Now see the Mahanadi basin. The Mahanadi river, it rises from the highland of the Chhattisgarh. It flows through Odisha to reach the Bay of Bengal. ये छत्तीसगढ़ से होती हुई उड़ीसा को पार करती हुई बे ऑफ बंगाल में जाके ड्रेन करती है. एंड इट्स टोटल लेंथ इज अबाउट 860 किलोमीटर. हाउ मच? 860 kilometers. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Clear? It means the Mahanadi, it covers the part of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. Now next is the Krishna basin. The Krishna river, it rises from the spring near the Mahabaleshwar. Okay, it rises from the spring near the Mahabaleshwar. The Krishna flows for about 1400 kilometers. It means the length of the Krishna river is about 1400 kilometers. And its tributaries are Tungabhadra, the Koyana, the Ghatprabha, the Musi and the Bhima. These are the tributaries of the Krishna basin. The drainage basin is shared by the Maharashtra, the Karnataka and the Andhra Pradesh. It means after reaching Andhra Pradesh, it drains in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, today I told you about these three basins of the Peninsula River, that is the Godavari, the Mahanadi and the Krishna. Now revise it carefully, and if you think any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me the questions that the mobile number is given in your online numbers. Okay, you can ask from that numbers to me anytime. Now by tomorrow I will tell you about the Nanda rivers. And remember one thing, during the vacation you should do your holiday homework that given by the schools, and if you get any doubt in that questions, you can contact me, the number that is given to you. Okay, thank you students.